Kani gadega Pati CCTV.
Kapalidu High Secondary School kabadan jayaw light dom akai nyutarik risau kala yopan pleno eka science lab kabadai ka jingno sinyang joka MLA ka than kabalong ru ka menteri hapo ka sarkar MUA2 ka kong Roshan Waziri lingba ka MLA scheme padha ka juk asingi kani ka school kala pelong ka concert kumshi benta ban sei kisap kipong jongki kena school khnang bakila ban penon kam ye kisap kibakidon hakalawai ka jongki kidong penya school kilong ka jingyo ekate ka science lab kabla play pa ba da kong Roshan Waziri kan long ka jingirap ka bakra ba yeki khna school ki ba police science na makalong kabala dun kam ba karkum ga jok ka bamenta ha ka concert ki khna school ki la shembenta da ka ba ai ki jingrai ba du pin i ki jingshat pa per
I'm dynamite. TNT. And I win the fight. TNT. I'm power low. TNT. Watch me explode. We play dirty, mean, mighty young king. We're a cunning lot. Public enemy #1. You know what we got.
There's a time when the silence is broken, and a time when the day seems brighter than before, and the children sound louder than the leaves that rustle, and the laughter that fills the air always seems to grow.
This school, I must say, has produced leaders in different fields. We can see the talent in the children today itself. And we can witness the fact that there is an all-round development that is being imbibed upon and being taught by the school authorities. We can see that it is not focused only on general studies, and we know for sure that social as well as spiritual values are being inculcated in the students as a whole. And that is why when they pass out from the school, they are also worthy citizens of the society and the state as a whole, contributing much to the socio-economic development of the society and the state as a whole.
Kani gadega Pati CCTV.